Hello everyone, I hope you are doing absolutely well and fine, and I send all of you good vibes and good health. And yeah, so I'm finally back with another video. I know, after quite long, I'm sorry. Yeah, so I'm finally uploading this video, and this is one of the requested videos from one of my subscriber friends. Like, there was a comment that had suggestion of many videos, and I really liked all the suggestions. So yeah, this is one of those videos that I'm making. So yeah, this is about how I take my notes, and I'll also show you like some sneak peek into my notes. And I want to keep this video short and concise and informative, so without wasting any of your time, let's directly get into the video. So first, let's discuss about physics. So physics mein I have two notebooks. One is basically where I take down all of my classwork, like the theory as well as all the questions that are done in the class. I write all of those down in that one notebook, and yeah, so that is one. And then in the other notebook I have basically that's a practice notebook which has all the numericals in it. So yeah, if like I am doing from some standard book, then I don't write those questions down, but like I use an app for MCQ practice, which is I really find that app really nice and helpful. So yeah, I do questions from there, and I don't write all of the questions down. Some good questions that have some concept in those that I feel like writing, I just write those down. I don't write every question down. So yeah, that book has all the practice questions, numericals in it. Like from each chapter there are 40 to 60 questions that are there in that book. So yeah, that's how it goes. Then coming on to chemistry. So chemistry may we have three parts: organic, inorganic and physical chemistry. So organic chemistry ke liye again all of the class work I do note everything down in the exercise book. So basically we do a lot of questions in the class also. So all of those questions are in my book along with the pehle ka theory and the concepts thing. So all of that is in one notebook, and I do not have any other notebook for organic chemistry. So whatever question practice I do after that, like actually it is provided by our teacher. Like in the DBB update section, he provides us with notes, like all the theory in PDF form, his notes, then 50 to 60 questions, practice questions, and all the PYQs. Yeah, so all of those questions I basically do directly on the OMR sheet. So like basically I see the question from the PDF on my laptop, and I directly mark the OMR with the answers, and after doing all the questions I just check those. So basically that can also help in building habit of this OMR wala thing. Then coming on to physical chemistry, same, all the classwork is in one notebook which has the theory as well as the questions. Now inorganic may we come, then inorganic is basically more of NCERT thing. I used to not write everything down, just some extra things like some exceptions that are out of NCERT, or some extra points or something that explains NCERT in detail, or anything of that sort. I used to note those down. And yeah, so but 11 it was like that, only out of NCERT thing. But in 12 inorganic chemistry I'm actually noting everything down, like from the teacher. So yeah, that is the thing. Also, fun fact, when I was starting with my preparation last year, I did not have the Unacademy subscription at that point. I was still contemplating about it. So yeah, I had started my study, and the entire chemical bonding chapter I had done from physics wala YouTube channel, like the old videos of Alak Pandey sir, the classical ones. Yeah, from those I used to study and make all the notes. So entire chemical bonding chapter I did all the notes from there. And actually 1.5 of my school, those are like the thin notebooks provided by school, 1.5 of those books were filled only with notes of that chapter, chemical bonding. Yeah, so that is the thing. Then it all happened, it all was taught again on Unacademy when I took the subscription. So yeah, that time I used to not really take the notes down because I already had the notes for that chapter. So yeah, that was just a fun fact. Now coming on to biology mein, basically I don't note those things that are already there in NCERT, because NCERT is the king of course in bio. Yeah, so anything that is out of NCERT, any information, any input, anything that gets into the detail or some in-depth knowledge of what is mentioned in NCERT, I note those things down, and that can be either from the MTG book, that can be from some module that I am just reading or going through, or it can be from the teacher's slides. So yeah, any extra information out of NCERT that I get, I just note all of those things down in my notebook. So only out of NCERT things I make the notes in bio. And for bio, I have another notebook that is basically, it has all the PYQ. So basically, one of our teachers had started this entire course where he would discuss all the PYQs like year wise. So yeah, for that PYQ analysis thing, I have made another notebook. This is one of the physics chapters notes. These are like the organic chemistry notes. This is bio notebook. That's pretty much it about my notes and everything, and I had to reshoot this video because there was no voice. Yeah, so it's finally done, and this was about this video. I hope you liked it. I hope it was of some use or the other to you, and if it was, then that fulfills the purpose of me making this video. And yeah, if you did like, then you can consider liking the video, and you can also check other videos on my channel out, and if you like them, then you can consider subscribing to the channel also. That would really mean a lot. And yeah, that's pretty much it about the video. I wish good luck and good health to all of you. Have a great day and take care. Bye.